First, write in the Ask Anything field, act as a professional career coach and recruiter, write a customized cover letter for the position of the job title that you're applying for, add the company name that you're applying for, the job description, and paste the job description here. My background, the current or most recent role, the job title and company, years of experience, key skills, skill 1, 2, 3, major achievements, achievement with numbers if possible, your education or certification, degree, certification or training, requirements for the cover letter, professional and neutral tone, 3 to 4 short paragraphs under 350 words, match my experience to job requirements, use strong action verbs, make it sound human and not AI generated. Make sure to fill up all these fields with the correct information and send this prompt in ChatGPT to create your cover letter. For more upcoming videos, please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.